Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to reverse video in Capcut PC. So all you have to do is to simply import and drag that video right here and pretty simple. This is a new feature now in Capcut. You just have to click that video and then what you're going to do is you have to go to this upper part. You must see that reverse feature or effect right here. Once you tap the video and then go to this area right here. So, for example, you just want to reverse a specific part. So you have to split. Okay, you have to add a split effect. Okay, so I just want to, reverse this part right here. So click this, the middle of the video, go to this area, and look for that reverse effect. Tap this. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is reversing the video. So sometimes it depends on the length of the video. So you have to wait till it reaches 100% and you will see the result. So as you can see, if you want to see the result, you just have to click the play button. And this is how the reversed effect here in CapCut. So this is how you do it. And also, if you want to add more, you just have to split the video and then click and then tap the reverse effect and that's it. So this is the result. And that's how easy it is to basically reverse video in CapCut PC. So I hope this video helped you. If you want us to create or if you want another topic for our tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.